The MDC military style analog watch. What does it do? How does it do it? And is it any good? All that and more coming next. Welcome to Grunkleworks, the channel that explores everyday gear for the everyday guy. Today we are taking a closer look at the MDC military style analog watch from Amazon that retails for around $25. As a low budget option, I am really impressed with its overall fit and finish. It comes with a canvas style strap, stainless back, and a brushed stainless body finish. The body is just less than 11mm thick and offers a nice profile on the wrist. The strap is a double layered canvas material that is a little abrasive but feels sturdy. The face is black with white contrasting numbers with an accented red second hand. The manufacturer claims it also has an anti-scratch mineral glass cover. The watch functions like any traditional analog watch, with an adjustable crown to change the date and time. All the way out changes the time, while a slight push into the second station allows you to change the date. The canvas strap has reinforced holes for size adjustment, and offers some stiffness for shape, but not too much to be obtrusive. The stitching is also consistent and uniform and contrasts well with the brushed stainless body. Let's take a look at it on the wrist. I really like the color combination of black, olive drab green and brushed stainless steel. The 40mm body is large enough to see the time easily, but not too big to be cumbersome or awkward looking. While the strap isn't the most comfortable I own, it isn't all that bad once it's on. Let's see how it compares to similar watches. Here we have the Timex Expedition Solar Edition. It's a very similar watch in appearance, although the genuine leather strap on the Timex is much more comfortable. You can see lots of similarities between the two watches in shape, thickness, and style. Next up, we have one of my favorites, the Timex Expedition chronograph watch. This is a different style, so not an apples to apples comparison, although the straps are very similar. Let's see how they function in the dark. I'm going to charge each one with a mini Olight LED flashlight for a few seconds. As you can see, they all have a moderate glow to a quick charge. I'd argue the Solar has the best glow in the dark hands, but the MDC is good with its numbers. Let's give it another quick charge. As you can see, the Timex Solar has a strong glow on its hands, while the MDC's design lends itself to easy to read and see number indicators. So there you have it. A great everyday watch that has solid build quality, great functionality and muted style cues, all while being light on your wallet. If you have found this video helpful, please leave us some thumbs and consider subscribing as we continue to explore everyday gear for the everyday guy.